Here is another exciting video on Raspberry Pi. Namaste everyone, welcome to GadgetsPod. People often ask us how to make their Raspberry Pi work because just buying the Raspberry Pi isn't enough. That's why we're making a video where I open a box with a bunch of stuff you need to get your Raspberry Pi up and running. Quick heads up, folks. Just so you know, we bought all the gear in this video ourselves. No sponsorships here, we're keeping it real. Over to Krishna for video description.
Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Purchasing just the Raspberry Pi itself might leave you with a few missing pieces. That's why today, we've got something special for you. We're unboxing the PiBox Raspberry Pi 4 Combo Kit, a one-stop solution that includes everything you need to kickstart your Raspberry Pi journey. Let's dig in and explore the parts that make this kit a must-have for both beginners and experienced enthusiasts. At the beginning, there's a handy pouch, then comes a welcome note, a chart of GPIO pins, and a Break Your Pi book. This book guides you through the basics of Raspberry Pi and its setup. It also includes Class 10 Noob's micro SD card. The Raspberry Pi does not have any built-in operating system and hence Noob's, the new out-of-box software, is designed to make this as easy as possible, allowing you to choose from several different operating systems and install them automatically. Another optional add-on to consider is Mini Wireless Keyboard. This mini keyboard mouse combo features a rainbow colors LED backlit design and operates on a 2.4 GHz frequency. It has a convenient mini touchpad as well. It's perfect for use with Raspberry Pi. Now, let's talk about the set of cables and power adapters essential for running and connecting your Raspberry Pi. First up is the micro HDMI to HDMI cable, which allows you to link your Raspberry Pi to an external display. Included in the package are several other essential components. A 1 meter gigabit Ethernet cable is provided for connecting your Pi to the network. The Raspberry Pi 4 official case is included. You'll receive a micro USB cable for charging the wireless keyboard. A dual-speed fan is also part of the package. A USB Type-C cable with an on-off switch is included for running the Raspberry Pi. A micro SD card reader is provided to enable writing operating system on for your Raspberry Pi on a micro SD card. The package contains a set of copper aluminum 3-piece heatsink to keep your Raspberry Pi cool and healthy. A 3 ampere BIS certified power adapter is included to power up your Raspberry Pi. Finally, the star of the show, your very own Raspberry Pi 4. Don't forget to check out our other videos where we've taken you through the exciting unboxing and setup process of the Raspberry Pi. To sum it up, the PiBox Raspberry Combo Kit is your complete package for a hassle-free Raspberry Pi experience. From the powerful Raspberry Pi 4 to essential accessories, it caters to both beginners and enthusiasts. The optional mini wireless keyboard adds versatility. With easy setup, broad compatibility, and a solid warranty, this combo ensures a smooth journey into the world of Raspberry Pi. In our next video, we'll guide you through the process of connecting all the components and getting your Raspberry Pi up and running. Stay tuned for a step-by-step walkthrough to make the most out of your Pi experience. Happy tinkering!
GadgetsPod. Exploring technology.
So, get ready to share your stories, showcase your talents, and connect with the world in a whole new way. Happy streaming and happy creating!